In a move that sent shockwaves through the nation, President Trump signed an executive order on January 20, 2025, attempting to end birthright citizenship in the United States. This controversial order, set to take effect on February 19, 2025, ignited a firestorm of debate, pitting those who support the president's actions against those who believe he has overstepped his constitutional authority. The order, if implemented, would have denied citizenship to children born in the U.S. to non-citizen parents, particularly targeting those residing in the country illegally. Trump's order represents a significant departure from long-standing legal precedent, most notably the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. This amendment, ratified in 1868, explicitly states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States, and subject to the jurisdiction thereof, are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. Despite this clear language, the Trump administration argued that the phrase "subject to the jurisdiction thereof" allows for the exclusion of children born to undocumented immigrants. However, Trump's attempt to circumvent the 14th Amendment was met with swift legal challenges. Multiple lawsuits filed by 22 states and various immigrant rights groups argued that the executive order violated the very fabric of American citizenship. In a significant victory for opponents of the order, a federal judge, John C. Coughenour, issued a 14-day temporary restraining order on January 24, 2025, effectively halting its implementation. Judge Coughenour, in his ruling, questioned the constitutionality of Trump's order, stating that the 14th Amendment's language on birthright citizenship is clear and unambiguous. The judge's decision provided a temporary reprieve for countless families who feared being torn apart by the executive order, but the legal battle over birthright citizenship is far from over. The nation now awaits the next chapter in this high-stakes legal drama, one that will have profound implications for the very soul of America. The 14th Amendment stands as a cornerstone of American democracy, guaranteeing equal protection under the law and enshrining the principle of birthright citizenship. This bedrock principle, however, has come under sustained attack from President Trump and his allies, who argue that the amendment has been misinterpreted and misapplied for far too long. They contend that the framers of the 14th Amendment never intended to grant automatic citizenship to children born on American soil to parents who are not citizens themselves. Trump's attempt to reinterpret the 14th Amendment through an executive order represents a dangerous expansion of presidential power. Critics argue that such a fundamental change to the nation's understanding of citizenship should be decided through the legislative process, not through executive fiat. The president's actions have been met with widespread condemnation from legal scholars who argue that the 14th Amendment's language is clear and unambiguous. They point to decades of legal precedent, including the landmark 1898 Supreme Court case United States v. Wong Kim Ark, which affirmed the principle of birthright citizenship for children born to Chinese immigrants. The legal challenges to Trump's executive order rest heavily on the argument that it violates the 14th Amendment's guarantee of equal protection under the law. Denying citizenship to children born in the U.S. based solely on the immigration status of their parents, opponents argue, would create a permanent underclass of individuals who are denied the full rights and protections afforded to other Americans. This, they say, undermines the very fabric of American society, which has long prided itself on being a nation of immigrants. The stakes in this legal battle extend far beyond the immediate fate of Trump's executive order. At its core, this fight is about defining the very meaning of American citizenship and what it means to be a part of the American experiment. The outcome of this battle will have profound and lasting consequences for generations to come, shaping the nation's character and its place in the world. The current debate over birthright citizenship is not new. It is a debate that has echoed through American history, surfacing time and again as the nation grapples with issues of immigration, identity, and belonging. To understand the significance of the legal challenges to Trump's executive order, one must look back to a pivotal moment in American legal history, the 1898 Supreme Court case, United States v. Wong Kim Ark. Wong Kim Ark, the American-born son of Chinese immigrants, was denied re-entry to the United States after a trip abroad. The government argued that because his parents were not citizens, he was not entitled to birthright citizenship. The Supreme Court, however, disagreed, ruling decisively in Wong Kim Ark's favor, and affirming the principle of birthright citizenship for all persons born on U.S. soil, regardless of their parents' citizenship status. The Wong Kim Ark decision set a powerful precedent, solidifying the 14th Amendment's guarantee of birthright citizenship and reinforcing the nation's commitment to equal protection under the law. For over a century, this landmark ruling has served as a bulwark against attempts to restrict birthright citizenship, reminding us that America's strength lies in its diversity and its willingness to embrace those who seek a better life on its shores. Trump's executive order, by challenging the principle of birthright citizenship, threatens to unravel over a century of legal precedent and undermine the core values of equality and opportunity that have defined the American experience. The legal battle over birthright citizenship is therefore not just a legal debate, it is a battle for the soul of America. The nation now waits to see whether the courts will uphold the legacy of Wong Kim Ark and reaffirm the enduring power of the 14th Amendment. As the legal battle over Trump's executive order unfolds, the nation remains deeply divided on the issue of birthright citizenship. The debate has exposed raw emotions and deep-seated anxieties about national identity, immigration, and the future of American democracy. While supporters of the president's actions argue that ending birthright citizenship is necessary to curb illegal immigration and protect national security, opponents contend that such a move would be morally reprehensible and constitutionally unsound. The fight over birthright citizenship is about more than just legal interpretations. It is about the very soul of America. It is about what it means to be an American and what values the nation chooses to uphold. Will America continue to be a beacon of hope for those seeking a better life, a nation that embraces diversity and offers opportunity to all? Or will it succumb to fear and division, turning its back on its own history as a nation of immigrants? The legal challenges to Trump's executive order are still in their early stages, and it remains to be seen how the courts will ultimately rule. What is certain, however, is that this issue will continue to be a source of intense debate and legal wrangling for years to come. The outcome of this battle will have far-reaching consequences, not only for the millions of immigrants who call America home, but also for the very fabric of American society. The fight for birthright citizenship is a fight for the heart and soul of America. It is a fight to preserve the nation's founding ideals of equality, opportunity, and justice for all. As the nation grapples with this complex and emotionally charged issue, it must do so with a clear understanding of the historical and legal context surrounding birthright citizenship and a steadfast commitment to upholding the Constitution's guarantee of equal protection under the law. The future of American democracy may very well depend on it. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.